to everyone, and today let's make a banana and apple cake, and let me show you quickly my ingredients. So these are all my ingredients. Okay, I have milk, I have an egg, this is my all-purpose flour, and I have a sugar, I have a cooking oil, and you can also use butter, and I have here an overripe banana. It's not rotten, it's just overripe. And I have 2 bananas and 2 apple. And I'm gonna mix some flax seeds. This is just an optional. If you don't have it, then just leave it. So what we'll do, we have to put everything here, okay, and we have to grind it. So first we have to put our milk, our oil, and our sugar. We have to put our egg and our apple and our banana. So we just have to grind this all together. And also we have to put this flax seeds. It's very healthy, this one. So that's why I'm putting this. Now this is done. Now we have to pour this in a bowl. So after this, we have to put our flour. This is all-purpose flour. So we just have to put it in batches. And then we have to mix nicely. And then we have to add our baking powder. I'm adding 1 teaspoon. And then give a good mix. And now this is properly mixed. Now we have to transfer this in a baking pan. The pan is already greased with oil. And now this is ready. So now we have to put this in our DIY oven. So now we put it here inside. So as you can see, this is my DIY oven, improvised. And I have steel here, so I have salt. Those white stuff are salt. So I just put it in. And now I can dump my banana and apple mixture. Wait. Okay, as you can see. Ta-da. So now they just cook this one. We just put in a high flame for 5 minutes, and then we put in a slow flame after that. So our banana and apple cake should cook thoroughly and doesn't get burned. It's almost cooked. Guys, our cake is ready. So now it's cooked. It's just to move this back, and here it is. I'm gonna have to cut some. Ooh. As you can see, it's moist and it's also soft. Let's try. Very nice. I like it. This recipe is really nice, and if you like this recipe, please give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe if you haven't yet, and I'll see you to my next one. Bye!
Please like,